Your home is supposed to give something back. After the noise. After the decisions. After the pressure of the day. You should walk through the door and gradually feel restored. But what if home has become one more place where your brain keeps working? That may be the real reason rest does not always feel restorative. A home can be comfortable, clean, and attractive while still surrounding you with signals that demand attention. Here is the difference most people overlook. Comfort gives the body somewhere to sit. Restoration gives the nervous system permission to stop responding. Those are not always the same thing. You may sit on a soft sofa while the television plays. Your phone keeps lighting up. Bright overhead lights remain on. A laptop waits nearby. Unfinished tasks are still visible. Nothing seems especially stressful. Yet your attention never becomes completely free. That is why some evenings disappear without leaving you refreshed. You stopped moving. But the environment never stopped asking something from you. Here is where the pattern becomes clearer. The brain is constantly deciding what deserves attention. A sound from another room. A notification. A pile of mail. A crowded space. A light that feels too bright. Each signal may seem harmless. Together, they keep the mind slightly alert. And slight alertness, repeated for hours, can make recovery feel incomplete. This is also why a quiet hotel room, cottage, or guest bedroom can feel surprisingly restorative. It may not be more beautiful than home. It may simply contain fewer demands. No work waiting nearby. No familiar responsibilities in view. No constant reminder of what should happen next. For a while, the environment asks almost nothing from you. That feeling can be recreated at home. Not by making every room perfect. By creating clearer moments of completion. Close the laptop when work ends. Reduce unnecessary background noise. Soften the lighting as evening begins. Clear one surface that usually holds unfinished tasks. Protect one chair, corner, or room from work and digital distraction. These changes are small. But together, they send a different message. The day is slowing down. Nothing needs your attention right now. You are allowed to recover. Your home does not restore you simply because you are inside it. It restores you when the environment stops behaving like another responsibility. And sometimes the most restful thing a home can offer is not more comfort. It is fewer demands. If this resonates, like, share, and subscribe so we can build a community that pays closer attention to the small environmental changes shaping our health every day. Remember, wellness begins at home. Thanks for watching.